Hello, fellow interpreters. I'm super excited to invite you to our upcoming workshop, which is going to be on real-time remote. So we all know that remote interpretation has become essential nowadays, and there are certain snags that we have to deal with. For example, when we're working with the consecutive mode in remote interpretation, it can take forever because we have to take turns with all the speakers. Therefore, a lot of the people who use our services are a little hesitant to use our remote consecutive services. Because it takes longer, it's also more taxing on us. It requires more working with our memories, and that fatigue can also mean a drop in our accuracy. When we work with a simultaneous mode remotely, sometimes we have to pay fees to belong to video conferencing platforms, monthly fees that are a little steep. So this method is awesome because it allows you to work remotely, but it's an alternative that allows you to work in real time, to introduce simultaneous into the equation. It also adapts to different conferences. You can work over the phone or you can work with video, and we're really excited to introduce this alternative to you that is also very user-friendly for the people who are using our services, and we know you're going to find it very useful. So we look forward to having you at the workshop.